the sharing software is Eshare. So you go to screencast. So under Eshare, this is like the page, and there are like the IP address, the device name, and also like you can have a quick guide, user guide of all the information at the bottom. So before you connect, you have to make sure that your devices and your display are connected onto the same network. So I'll open on my mobile application here to connect to the display. Okay, and it will register which display which is showing on, like which is available on the network. Okay, so now I'm connected to the display and it will write my device name. Then I have to start the sharing option. So now it's showing my screen and what's going on onto the screen. Also, stop sharing. You can mirror the screen so that what's going on onto the display on your mobile phone, it's also happening on your display, and you have complete control on what's going on. As you can see, I still have control, and I can go back to home or exit. Also, there are options to share like documents, pictures, videos, or use your camera. So for example, document, I have so many documents, so let me just open one document which is loading, and the video will open and the picture will open onto the display, and I can select to go through the display information. I have complete control over it. I can choose to move OK or the mouse. Also, I'm able to see the applications which are on the display. Go back, exit, go home. Also, I can share videos. So the video will share. And I can increase the volume or decrease the volume from the application. Stop or pause, like other controls, I still have control over them. So back. So now I'll show you how to connect like the other devices onto the network, onto the display. So we have two computers here plus like the mobile phone. So I'll start with my phone. Okay, and my phone is on the display. Then also I'll connect this laptop. Then screen share. There's another mobile phone which is connecting to the display, which is connecting to the display. And now it's connected, and also I'll connect another like display. So now all four displays are connected, and I still have control over what happens like on my display here. It's still showing the same thing, or I can minimize to come back to the four displays. Or if I want my laptop, which is this one, I can come. I still have reverse touch control.
Device support, and I think that's kind of stretching the definition a little bit, because when I'm using it, I put one device down and it moves over the charging coil just like it should. Perfect, charges that.
Yeah,
then I put a second device down, and as long as the first one's charging, nothing happens. Really, the only thing that you could say is multiple device charge.
Also, I can pause sharing what's going on. So on the screen it will pause, but I still have control over what's going on to the other display. I can open, let's see, there's a distribution agreement, for example. So it's not showing what's going on to the screen, but I can see it this side. And when it comes time for me to, let's say, want to share it to my students, I can come on on Eshare and to release the.
Eventually it'll have me covered.
So
that's pretty good. All right, so next up is this little box